We start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, we in the price was within this move. We mentioned we expect the price to retest the previous low. As we can see, the price retest and broke. By the way, we're doing the analysis based on a HITBTC. The price is quite different from the Binance. Okay. Again, as we were expected, the price retest the previous low, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why if we get any trade setup for buy, we will be more interested. Okay. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to daily chart. All right, as we can see, based on daily chart, the price dropped quite sharp. And now we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. Mostly, we will expect to get the reversal. Now we want to see how we can look for trade because we have been looking for this two in relative to each other as a running flat. Any trade setup for buy, we will take it. If it turns a corrective move, we just take out. If we see there is a continuation, we keep it. Because what I want to say is that we're looking for the reversal with a sharp move. Still, we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction as long as the price haven't retested the previous low, which is 0.16. As long as the price haven't dropped to 0.16, any reversal, we will be more interested to look for buy. But based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. What I'm looking for here, I want to see how we can look for trade. Actually, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. First, we talk about the sell. The only times you can look for sell, if this one turned to deeper correction similar to what I drew here, we can expect the price to drop. But whether we should look for sell or not, we need to see the correction. Then from there, we can make a decision. But we are more interested to look for buy. How we can look for buy, same as usual. At least we need to get the reversal with the sharp move, flag or correction. Then from there, we can look for trade. Okay, and right now we don't have any trade setup, but how about if the price sharply reverse? We didn't get the trade setup. The only way to look for trade having entry above here, which is around 0. We make it very sure 0.18 or 0.218 or 0.22. Okay, this is what we wanted. Again, we need to know that having entry above this is very risky because the simply price can tag and reverse. But what we want in case the price sharply reverse and it didn't give us a trade setup, then at least we can get the trade. In this case, what we want the price reverse as with a sharp move, break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. Okay, but if the price reverses as a corrective move, we are not going to get the trade by above this. We need to get a reversal with a sharp move. Because if we get any trade from here, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. But again, any reversal from here with the breakout of this, we have to start to manage because in case this one turn to a internal flat in relative to the last move. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We're looking for the reversal if we want to look for a trade, but all depends on what we get here. Having entry can be an option, but very risky. For those traders, they never had experience, maybe they shouldn't take the trade by having entry. But the only reasons we want to see the having entry above this, in case there is a reversal because of the risk and reward. But one thing I need to highlight here, if we get one more drop with the breakout of this, then this one is not valid anymore. The only times is valid if the price reverse with a sharp move from where the price is right now. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.